Okay, so I had you guys make 2 more pyramids.
Okay.
How do you think this is going to help us understand what's going on with these pyramids?
Well, because it's 1/3 base times height, we could maybe try to make a square out of these.
How would you make a square out of pyramids?
I mean a cube out of pyramids.
Okay. All right. How? How would we do that?
Well, if these were actual pyramids, then actually we have some little pyramids around here.
Yeah, right here. Actually, I brought some over.
So, if these were actual pyramids, they would look like these.
They sure do look a lot like those, don't they?
Then they're just like cubified.
Yeah.
They're cubified.
So then they would make a cube.
Okay.
But I don't think we can do that here.
Well,
Because
not?
I think because if we stick this on here like this,
okay.
right, and this side right here you can see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tall, and then this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right, but remember, this was just an approximation.
And then we have to stick this on like that, and then we have a little piece that sticks out here.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Like if we remove that slice, it would
Okay,
be a
so we
pretty
can
good
see-
approximation.
What was our approximation
Well,
to these?
what do you mean?
We were doing 1/3 base times height. How long is the base
Well, here, the base is
of the pyramids?
the base of the pyramid. It's 5 by 5.
Okay. So we're doing 5 times 5, and then the height, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, the height.
Which was
5.
5. And then now we have 3 of them, so our approximation should just be, we don't have to divide by 3 because we have 3 of them. 5 by 5 by
So
5.
125.
But what shape did we actually end up almost making? Did we
Well,
almost make a cube?
Well, we
almost-
almost made like a box.
Yeah.
And what are the dimensions of the box?
It's 5 by 5 by 6.
Okay.
So
5 by 5 by 6, so it was a little bit bigger, and it also wasn't quite a box.
it had this little chip.
Yeah, now are the snap cubes together enough that we can rotate this and see this extra bit here?
Like right here.
It's right there. Okay. So it's 5 by 5 by 6 plus a little something.
Plus is, well,
Something.
well, we have approximated this before.
Oh!
Because it's the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 sum.
Interesting. Which was what?
That was 15.
15. So that's interesting. And it turns out there's actually an amazing thing with this shape. And this is other pieces. While you guys were building, I found these pieces from a project we did before. Actually, let me just take this away because it's probably going to fall apart. So here we have 3D printed some 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squares.
So
And why don't we try to fit those together, just like we did here?
let's see. So this goes on top,
And then
this piece is gonna go right here.
Okay.
So we have this. That's the 5 by 5 by 6 with the chip.
All right. And do you notice anything you can do now?
Whoops.
you
I think we can make 2 of them and then put them together.
Okay.
you make 2 of them. Here's like this.
So 6 of them together form.
Well, it has to be a mirror image, but 6 of them together would form. Never mind. It's hard to see on that side.
Okay. Sorry, I'll rotate it around for you.
So 6 of them together will form a. Where did this go?
Oh, I think it went like.
It'll form a.
Well, don't say it will, because we can't seem to figure out how to do it.
We think it will.
Alright.
It's like right there, and then we can put that in.
Like this. No, I don't think that works. Let me see from above. Yeah, you've that you can't really get.
Why don't you try?
Well, we need to make a mirror image of that.
All right. Go ahead.
So we want the spiky thing to be on that like this. So then we can put it upside down and do that. And now there's our box.
So now we made, actually, believe it or not, we made a perfect box. And what is the height of this box? So our approximation would have been 1/3 3 times 3 times 3, but now we have 6 of them, right? So it'd be
2 times 3 times
2 times 3 times 3 times 3.
And then
But what did we actually get?
it's
Actually
1,
got
2,
4 by 3.
4 by 3 by 1, 2, 3, 7.
Times 7. So our actual answer was 4 times 3 times 7 divided by 6. And our approximation was 3 times 3 times 3
Times
divided by
3.
3.
So
Okay.
that'd be 3 times 3.
But we've accidentally found the formula. What was n here?
N is
3.
Okay, so we have
So that would be n plus 1 times n times 2n plus 1 for 6.
Huh. So in our quest to figure out why our approximation wasn't working correctly, we actually stumbled into the exact formula.
Wow. It's cool.
And it's pretty cool. And you can even see it's probably harder to see on camera, but you can see the n. This is 1 block wide.
Yeah. It's,
And then you can see the n plus 1 because you just have that square on the top, which is n by n. And on one side, we're adding 1 block to it. That's n plus 1. And the 2n plus 1 this is 1 block high, 1 block high, and then 1 in the middle. You see it?
That's 2n plus 1. Cool.
So in an effort to understand why our formula wasn't giving us a very good approximation, we found the exact formula.
That's weird.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
It's funny, math doesn't always work out so nicely like that, but this time it did. All right, good work this morning, guys.